What if I told you you can create music videos? Yes, you can create music videos using AI. You can use your own image. You can use anybody's image. You can use any music. You can use your own music. You can use AI music. Any image or any music you want to use, you can use them and start creating music videos. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step method how you can create music video using AI. And without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. Now, the first thing you are going to do, head over to the description or the comment section of this video. You are going to see the link to this platform. You just click on it and it's going to bring you to an interface like this. You register a new account. Now, when you register a new account, it's going to open like this. Now, you are going to see where it says music creation, music video, cover, lip sync, all these things. You are going to see it. So if you don't have music and you want to start creating your own music, maybe if you're an artist or you are not an artist and you want to start creating your own music, you can just click on music creation here. Now when you click on this music creation here, it will tell the agent, the AI, that I want to make a song. And as you can see, just click on music creation and it will bring this prompt here and you click on continue. Now when you click on continue, it's going to bring you to an interface like this and you start creating your own music. It's going to start analyzing everything and start creating music for you. And if you don't know how to use this, I've made a video before how you can create music from beginning. You can also use CapCut. You can also use ChatGPT to get your music lyrics and everything. So I've made video about that before. So I don't want to go more detail about that now. But all you just want to do, if you want to create your own music, all you just need to do, I'm just trying to show you all you need to do. Just write your song here, as you can see. Just write your music lyrics here. You can write your lyrics here if you have your own lyrics. And if you don't have your lyrics, you can give it a title and you write it here and you start creating your own music. But I don't want to go more detail about that. All I'm here for, because I don't want this video to be so long, is to create music video. Now, to create our music video, all you need to do, click on this three dot up here. You are going to see one three dot. You click on it and you bring it to video. As you can see, you bring it to video. Now, just click on video. You are going to see video like this. You are going to see video like this. You click on video. Now, when you click on video, it's going to show you an interface like this. Now, make sure you pay attention very well, because right now, this is where you are going to get everything started. You are going to see different type of template, everything. So, how you can see different type of music video people have created. If you can watch any of them like them here, but let's start creating our own. Now, the first thing you have to do is to click on video music. As you can see, your music, you say your music here, this first one, you can see your character here. Now let's start by uploading our music. Let's click on upload our music. For example, if you have your own music on your phone, all you just need to do, just click on upload here. As you can see, upload here, you click on upload, and if you have it in your app already, you just click on tone library here and it's going to bring you here. Now let's click on upload. Now when you click on upload, if you don't have, as you can see, this are music I've uploaded before. All you just need to do, just click on this upload and you upload music from your phone. But if you have music already on it, I have music that I've uploaded. This is the music here. I'll just click on select it. But if you don't have music, you click on upload and upload a new music. So let me just click on select. Now, after I click on select, it's going to analyze the music. So I can decide to increase this like this to the music. Are you guys listening to the music? So I can decide to increase it, as you can see, increase it or decrease it. So I just want to create it for like some seconds, only. Let's say let's make it like 15 seconds. So let's make it like this. Now the next thing, I'll click on next. So I just want to make it a short video. I can decide to make it up to 3 minutes video. So after that, it's analyzing. As you can see, the music is here now. Now the next thing you are going to do, after you analyze and you put your music, you are going to see one small dot here. You click on it. This one here, this one that my hand is pointing now, you click on it. Now this is where you are going to set how you want your music to be. If you want only one clip, only one image, you put it here. If you want freestyle, you put it here. If you want motion control, you put it here. So I prefer using this freestyle. Just put it on freestyle here. Now when you put it on freestyle, it's going to ask you to write how you want your music to be, your prompt, how you want your music to be, if you have idea of your music, how you want it to be. Now, for example, let me say music video in the town of London. In the town of London. Or if you don't have the music idea, you can even go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you, to write you the music idea. You can go to ChatGPT, but I don't want to waste much of your time. Just write your music idea here. After you put your music idea, you select your aspect ratio, how you want it to be. You can decide to select your aspect ratio here. As you can see, your aspect ratio, you tap on it. Now, I can decide to put it in 9.16 and my resolution 720p or 1080p. Then after that, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to see next here. As you can see, it say create here. You click on this create. Now, when you click on this create, just give it some minutes and it's going to open and bring you to interface like this, where it will start analyzing, as you can see, your PVC blueprint. So just give it some minutes and it's going to start analyzing everything and you are going to continue. Now, after you analyze it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, this is everything about the music. Now, as you can see, my story, if you want it to be like a story video, you want it to be a virtual where they will just be showing only images, or you want it to be lip sync where the mouth will be moving and the person will be doing what the music said, following the lyrics. You put it on lip sync. Now, when you put it in lip sync like this, you ask you multiple scene or one take. Just put it on multiple scene so that it's going to have multiple scene, different type of scene. The person will be going somewhere, the person will be in the car, just following the lyrics of the music. Put it on this multiple scene. Now it's going to bring you to an interface like this where it say virtual style. So you can choose any style you want here. Now I prefer this cinematic photorealistic, this one here, cinematic photorealistic. You put it on this cinematic photorealistic. Now after you put it on this cinematic photorealistic, you are going to come down here that says characters. As you can see, characters here. Now this is where you are going to select your image. If you want to use your own image, you just click on plus icon here. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you can see different type of characters you can use, and you can also use your own. Now when you look at this first one here, this is my image I upload to be my character I want to use. So you can create your own character also. All you just need to do, just click on create new here. As you can see, just tap on this create new. Now when you click on this create new, you can clone your twins, you can design from scratch, you can upload your existing image. Maybe if you have image on your phone that you have edited that you want to use, you just click on upload existing image and you click on try it now. Now when you click on try it now, it's going to take you to your phone gallery where you can upload any of your image. Any of your image, you can upload it. You can upload any of your image you want to use. Now, after you upload any of your image, you are going to see the image. You are going to see the image here. You are going to see the image and you upload your image. But I don't want to upload any image right now because I have already uploaded my image here. As you can see, this is my image. I'll just select it. And after I select it, I'm going to click on confirm. As you can see, confirm below here. You click on confirm and the image is going to be added. Now, this is the character I want to use. Now, after uploading the character, the next thing I'm going to click on this video model here. I'll tap on it. Now, I'm going to put it on 1.2.7. As you can see, 1.2.7 here. You put it on this 1.2.7. Now, your resolution 720p and your image model. You can see they have different type of image model. So I'm going to leave it at ChatGPT 2 point here. Now, after that, your resolution, leave it at 9:16. Then after that, the next thing you are going to do is to click on confirm detail here. As you can see, confirm detail. Now when you click on confirm detail, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. You click on I've understand. Just click on I've understand here. This box, you select it, and after you select the box, you click on confirm and continue. Now when you click on confirm and continue, it's going to start analyzing the script, start generating the visual
That means the video, music, everything is going to start generating it. Now, after I generate it, it's going to bring it here like this. If you have anything you want to change after reading it, you can just click on this modify and change it. And if you don't have anything to change, you click on continue here. Now, when you click on continue, just allow it to load. As you can see, virtual asset. Now, it's trying to convert those images. That my image is going to turn it to video and analyze everything, and you guys are going to see. Now, as you can see, say virtual asset. That means it depends on how long your video is. If your video is up to 3 minutes, 5 minutes, you are going to see different type of images here that will convert them to music, to video. Following your lyrics, following your music you upload, is going to convert everything. It's going to analyze it and convert everything. And after it convert them to video, you are going to see where it say continue with asset here, and it's going to automatically turn them to music video where you'll be singing and they are going to be seeing everything. So let's allow it to load, and after it load, I'm going to click on it and you guys are going to see. And you can also edit this after you generate the videos clip by clip. You can also edit it, because now right now it's generating it clip by clip. You know, I just choose a few seconds. I just choose 5 seconds. That is why it's showing like this. But if your own is up to 15 minutes, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, or 4 minutes, or 1 minute video, it's going to have a lot of visuals that you will generate. Now, as you can see, some visuals here. As you can see my image here. Now you see my image has already shown up. It's going to analyze everything, and you are going to have perfect music video. So let's allow it to load complete, and I'm going to show you how the result is going to be. It has done turning those images to video. Now, all you just need to do is just to click on continue with asset here, and it's going to generate your music video, add all the clip together. It's going to add them together, and you are going to see your music video. So let me click on it.
Now you have seen everything step-by-step method which you can follow and start creating music videos using AI. See you guys on our next video.